Hello everybody, let's solve the question. It's a very nice problem today. See, the sum 3 by 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 divided by 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 2009 divided by 2007 factorial plus 2008 factorial plus 2009 factorial is equals to. Okay, it's a very nice problem. Now let's see how to solve this question. Okay, so let s equal to, this is a 3 divided by factorial 1 plus factorial 2 plus factorial 3 plus 4 divided by factorial 2 plus factorial 3 plus factorial 4 plus dot 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 plus 2009 divided by factorial 2007 plus factorial 2008 plus factorial 2009. Students, it's a very nice problem. Now let's see how to solve this question and what should be our approach. Okay, now let me make it some thicker. See, we'll just try to find the general term, that is nth term. So what will be the nth term of this series? It will be n plus 2 divided by n factorial plus, this will be, let me write it here. Here it will be n plus 1 factorial plus n plus 2 factorial, right? Okay, now we'll just do some simplification and let us see. So it can be written as n plus 2 divided by n factorial plus, we can write it here like n plus 1 into n factorial plus n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n factorial. Can we write like this or not? Yeah, of course we can write, because we have one formula like n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. I hope you know this. Okay, now so further we can do some more simplification. We can take the n factorial as common, so n plus 2 divided by, here we can take the n factorial as common, so it will be 1 plus n plus 1 plus, here it will be n plus 2 into n plus 1, right? Okay, so again this n plus 1 plus 1, n plus 2, so we can write it like n plus 2 divided by, this is n factorial and this will be n plus 2 plus n plus 2 into n plus 1, right? Okay, so we can see here n plus 2 we can take the common, so here it will be n plus 2 divided by n factorial into n plus 2 we can take the common, so here it will be 1 plus n plus 1, right? Okay, so see, next n plus 2 we can just cancel it out, so it will be a little bit simple. So here it will be 1 by n factorial into n plus 2. Okay, now see, our motto is to make this nth term into the difference form. Okay, why we are going for this difference form, I'll let you know at the end, but first let us make this in the difference form. So what I will do, I will simply multiply by n plus 1 in the numerator and divide it by n plus 1. So n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n factorial. So for that it can be written as n plus 1 divided by, it will be n plus 2 factorial, right? Okay, So again, see, this is our nth term Tn. So we can write it like n plus 2 minus 1 divided by n plus 2 factorial. Okay, I hope you are able to follow me up to here. So what I will do, simply we can take it, we can write it like Tn, nth term will be n plus 2 divided by n plus 2 factorial minus 1 divided by n plus 2 factorial, right? Okay, so again further we can simplify this n plus 2 divided by n plus 2 into n plus 1 factorial minus 1 by n plus 2 factorial. How I did like this? I have already told you that n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. I used this formula right here. Okay, so we got the nth term into the difference form. So we can calculate like T1 will be equal to, sorry, here it will be n plus 2 to n plus 2 got cancelled. So further we can write Tn equal to 1 by n plus 1 factorial minus 1 by n plus 2 factorial, right? Okay, now we can write T1 equal to, T1 will be equal to 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. T2 will be equal to what? It will be 1 by 3 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial. T3 will be equals to, it will be 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial, and so on. We can write up to nth term. So Tn will be equal to 1 by n plus 1 factorial minus 1 by n plus 2 factorial. Now you know what is sum. Sum is the sum of all the terms like T1 plus T2 plus T3 and so on. So once we add up all these terms, so it will get cancelled like this. This will get cancelled to this, and someone will cancel to this also. Okay, so what will left out? So will be left out S will be equals to T1 plus T2 plus dot 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 plus Tn, and we will be getting 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by n plus 2 factorial. Simply put the value of n plus 2 equal to 2009. Then we will get simply S equals to 1 by 2000, sorry, not 2000 here, it will be 2 factorial only. So here it will be 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 2009 factorial, and this will be the answer for this question. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept and enjoyed the solution. Now the question is, why we are going for the difference method? I have already told you that I will tell this information in the last. The thing is, first we will look for that whether the series is in AP, ZP or HP or in AGP. If it is so, we can find the sum in using any of the formula. But if it is not in that form, then we should go for difference method. Probably it will be solved by the difference method. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this solution. Thank you, all the best.